6:30. Well right there, but the back is sanded. As y'all can see, inside of the boat is completely sanded, man. So that's where we at, man. Got that done. And I also got the steering wheel taken off, man, and that tachometer taken off. Like I told y'all, we dropping a new tachometer and a GPS speedometer on the opposite side over there, and we dropping a new steering wheel. So that's what I got done. I got the boat cleaned out, vacuumed. I washed the front a little bit earlier, washed it down with some soap and water, you know what I mean, get some of that dust and dirt off. And that's where we at, man. And I sanded and primed our floor drain. Did that. Also did this little bracket, DIY bracket that we made for the trolling motor that we have right now. Sanded that and primed that as well. And these are the seat mounts, man, that I sanded and primed as well, man. So that's where we at, man. This thing is coming together, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Completely sanded, man, on the inside, y'all. So that's what it is, man. Alright, guys, like I told y'all, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all, man, on here, on this channel. And everything not gonna go perfect, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my, as y'all can see, I got my 2 holes cut out. Well, had that hole right there already for the tachometer. Then I cut this hole out over here for the GPS speedometer. But as y'all can see, the steering box is right there, and that's gonna be blocking me from putting this GPS thing in there. So, man, I'm gonna see what type of modifications I'm gonna have to make to that, man, so I could get that in there, man. But, you know, like I said, I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all on here, man. I did not know that was back there like that. But we gonna improvise, and we gonna see what we gonna do to make it happen, man. If we end up not being able to use that right there, that hole, then I'm just gonna have to cut a little plate and paint it and cover it up and to make it match the boat, man. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's what it is, man. I got my hole, my horn hole cut out right here, man. You know what I'm saying? So we good to go, man. It's raining bad. I don't know, it's gonna be raining this whole weekend. Hopefully not. So my plan is to get this thing, you know what I'm saying? Was to get this thing taken care of, man, and get it primed this weekend. So I don't know, if it's raining, man, I'm not gonna be able to do that. So keep my fingers crossed, and hopefully I will be able to, you know, get this done, man. Hopefully, man, because I really want to get this thing painted, man, and sanded, man. I mean, get this thing primed, man, and get it ready for paint. So as y'all see right here, you know, we gonna be taking this outboard off, man, and we gonna be resting it on these horses right here. So that's gonna be coming off, and I'm gonna be sanding the back of this boat. I'm gonna definitely get to this weekend and sand the back of this boat, you know. So that's definitely gonna be going on, and that's what we doing, man. Just hope the weather permits, man. But we got everything basically taped off, cut out, sanded, except for the black backsplash wear. That's why we taking the outboard off, so we could, you know, get that done, and, you know, take our time on that and get that done the right way. So that's what we doing with that right there. And yeah, man, that's all we gonna be bringing y'all in this video today. I just wanted to get this thing, you know, get these particular holes cut out before I before I primed and before I painted. And we looking good, man, as y'all can see, man. You know, this video gonna be broken up into, you know, it's gonna all be in one video, man, but, you know, I'm gonna break it up so y'all know, man, you know, how many days it took me to actually prime this boat, fighting this weather, you know what I mean? So that's where we at, man. Everything looking pretty good, and we look like we good to go, man. So that's what we waiting on, y'all. That's what we waiting on. I'm a little concerned about that steering thing and where I'm gonna be able to put that other where I'm gonna put the speedometer at. But like I say, man, we're gonna have to improvise, man. It is what it is. The hole already cut. Can't cry about spoiled milk, man. You know what I'm saying? It's there. So we just gonna have to work around it and see what we could do. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's where we at, man. Big videos coming up this weekend, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all lay around for it, man. This thing is about to take on its identity, man. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, that's where we at. Thank y'all for tuning in, and we finna get this thing going, man. Huh? No, I still gotta do some more. But look what it did. That other color that's under there, that's all the way on the side of the boat. That's coming off. We ain't trying to get it to that though. But you just, you know, we just looking for a smooth surface. You know what I'm saying? That way the paint will stick to it once we hit it with a primer. Prime that bitch up. Wipe it down with some acetone before I clean it off. Get all the dust shit off. Gotta finish that little side over there, and that'll be good. It was simple. I just needed to get to that to get this back shit done. I'll be able to paint that, huh? Yeah, you might want to measure them bitches. You got them right. That what they is, 2x6x10, right?
Yeah, I think so. But the ones I got like this wide. That'll be good enough.
Well,
this wide.
That might be too wide. Let me see. Look at the thing, dog, cause you got to go off of this. Cause them, see the brackets that they gonna be sitting on, them fucking little brackets. You gonna have to change them rusty ass screws. So long as it's middle. Listen, as long as it's see the board that it's resting on. All right, now see, look on the other side of
Like
that.
this here.
Look on the other side of
Yeah,
that.
it'll
It got room.
Yeah, it'll be like, it'll be
As long as they got room.
Yeah.
Yeah, as long as they got room to sit on them.
I mean, even if we gotta cut it, it ain't
Even if we got to, yeah, ain't no big deal. We go all the way modified.
That bit is long enough, but I let that.
You said that bit was like 18 feet or so, huh?
Yeah, like 16 feet.
Mm-hmm.
My balls was in the warehouse. We got a lot of them shit inside the warehouse, so I drug them out. Put them on the side of my big truck.
Yeah.
Monday when I go. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, yeah, it's about 10 feet.
Yeah, that's about 10.
So I'm gonna measure it.
This boat not big, but this nigga, this bitch, we do good on it. This looking at it like this, from this, like, okay, nigga, this right.
Yeah.
It's right. I was always a little skeptical, like, damn, is we gonna get throwed around on Okeechobee? But no, hell no. This bitch gonna be good, and you know, Okeechobee ain't no, that ain't like no big ass lake that's 30, 40, 50 feet deep. Then you know, we dealing with something like that. That's a whole nother story. But we dealing with shallow water, so we ain't gotta worry about that shit. Yeah, man, so I ain't gonna, all I could do is right now, shit, trying to think of everything else I said I'm gonna do. I took all these, remember I had all the rubber sealing in there. I took that out because of course I'm gonna paint inside these. All these gonna be black on the inside. Everything gonna be flat black, you know what I'm saying? Everything gonna be flat black. You know, the carpet gray, you know what I'm saying? I took the vent, that vent down there is at my house. See the vent with a not the vent, but the drain hole right there? I took that out, I painted that white. I'm gonna paint the motor back white, you know what I'm saying? Do that, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you, we dressing up like suit and tie, last man standing, man. So everything gonna be black, gray, and little accents of white here and there. You know what I'm saying? I painted the inside of these lids charcoal gray, but the carpet gonna be charcoal gray. You know what I'm saying? You can see the other ones down there on the ground, but the carpet gonna be, so the carpet gonna wrap around them lids, so it's just gonna flow in it. You know, it look. Then when we open our shit up, then we gonna put some carpet in these shit too, which ain't much. Oh, that's what I needed to do. Cut that piece so we could epoxy that shit and glue that up there for that horn, so we could attach, we could put that horn up there. The whiteboard over there. I'm gonna show you the horn and show you size. It ain't no big piece, little piece. We're gonna put carpet in here, you know, which ain't gonna be much. They sell that that 3M spray, and you could just spray it in there and then just stick it like that. For this shit up here, we're gonna actually use carpet glue because it's gonna, you know, rain and all that shit. That'll lid to protect that. And shit, that's that, man. I got these too. I took them out. You know, we're gonna change them pieces. The cleats to tie up. I got these too. I was just waiting for paint to put them on so I ain't have to worry about taping them shits up. You know, just a few other things to tidy shit up, man. That's it. I still gotta I gotta find the stainless steel hinges for the side locker and the front live well locker. You know, you saying about the lid for this live well. You know what I'm saying? That other shit live, that shit is gonna be like bomb, bomb, bomb. Put that bitch in, bomb, bomb, bomb. That, you know what I'm saying? That ain't shit. I painted the I ain't want to use that other seat bracket that's down there because they was different. That's more the swivel kind. So I took the other one that was to the driver's seat. I took that. That's at the crib. I painted that black too, and I ordered another one to match that. That's for the seats. Whenever the seats come, you know, so we attach it to the seats and put the seats in there or whatever. And shit, bro. But yeah, I need you to cut that white piece out. Let me show you where it's gonna go at. Huh? I'm finna show you. I'm finna show you the horn so you can know. It ain't no big piece at all. We just connect it to this right here. Big enough to drill. Remember how we did the little white piece over here on the side right here? Yeah. And then I had to drill. Remember how we glued that to that? Yeah. We gonna glue it to somewhere like up here in my finger, somewhere like right there. And then we gonna screw that piece to it. We gonna screw these to that piece. And you know what I'm saying? These whites gonna run right here to our horn button. So we got our horn and shit, you know what I'm saying? Oh boy, where that other? Yeah, don't throw these away. This shit is for. Just keep these. Don't whatever you do, don't throw these away. Just for the steering wheel. So yeah, that's a little piece. You know what I'm saying? It's nah, like, look, hell nah, it ain't even got to be the size of that. Huh?
Talking about just cut this little piece.
Yeah, look, you know what I'm saying? That's enough for that bitch to screw to that bit. You feel me?
Yeah.
Something like that, a little small piece, yeah. Something small. Enough to glue and grab onto, you know what I'm saying? Glue and grab onto that shit though. And these are LED lights we gonna be throwing in there too. So shit, under here. One gonna go under here. Underneath this top, we gonna put one under there so that we got that light coming from under there. You know what I'm saying? When we, you know, it's nighttime or whatever the case is, you know, we doing a tournament, we gonna be out there early in the morning, we need to see shit. So that's gonna illuminate that. I cut this little hole out right here. It's a I don't even know where I put it at, but it's the little horn button shit right here. Yeah. Push button shit. I don't know where I put it at, but it's a little light. It's a courtesy light, basically. That's what I got. That's what I got on that switch right there. That's our lights. So I got 4 of them little LED strips. One gonna go under here. Then I got this little courtesy light that go in there. That's gonna shoot light that way. You know what I'm saying? To light this area up. One of them things one of them lights we gonna put in that locker right there, under there, and then we gonna put the other 2 underneath here. One underneath here, and one underneath here, like in the middle, so that'll light all that up. So them the 4 lights, and that's something simple. That's why I need it. Yeah. So that bit can stick.
Sand that shit down a little bit.
Go ahead. Drop that on there, so that could be stuck. You know how long that shit took 5 days last time. Even though I'm exaggerating, but you know, that bitch ain't stick cause we ain't wanna hold up though. So we good to go, my brother. This thing is looking like last man standing. This how that flat black gonna look though. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I think it'll, however you feel better. I think it'll be better like that. Oh, when you do it, just make sure when you well, we're not putting it up there now anyway. You just blowing that shit on there. Yeah, like that. That's good. Oh, when you do it.
Where you want me to put it? Anywhere on there, or
like in the middle, like at the top, the highest you can get up. On the white shit, yeah. Just so it be, you know, it be out the way. Huh? Right down here, in your face. I say, what I've been seeing people do live, you might want to get like a little, I'm gonna give you like a little stick. Cause what I've been seeing motherfuckers do before they put that bitch on there, they been mixing it like together. And I guess when you mix it together like that, the epoxy, it get hotter, it get hot. You gonna use that? You think that's better? Okay. I thought you mixed them though. Alright man, as y'all can see, we got the back of the motor off, man, and we got inside the splash well sanded. You know what I'm saying? Got that done. Got the back of the transom sanded down, man. You know what I mean? Y'all can see. Thing prepped up, man, for the paint. Got the outboard over here, wrapped up. We'll be sanding that that down as far as the priming it and painting it. So y'all get ready for that. Y'all already know. It's gonna go down. That's where we at, man. This thing finna get primed when I could get a sunny day, man. And I'm gonna get to it, man. But as y'all can see, it's been overcast, raining off and on. So that's where we at, man. Just wanted to give y'all an update. Let y'all know the progress that we made. That's where we at, man. It's about to go down, y'all. Y'all see it, man. Y'all been following these videos. Y'all have seen how far this boat has come. And it's about to be on and popping now, man. You know what I'm saying? So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned in with Fishing with Nate, man, for the completion of this boat, man. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I was going ham. Wasn't no cap behind that. And this thing making this transformation, man. You did? So y'all make sure y'all subscribe, man, like, turn your post notifications on all, man. Hit the like button. Drop some comments. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know what y'all think so far, man, in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if I left anything out, man, you know. So, once this thing get done up, man, we gonna attack this trailer next, man. And then I'll deal with the outside of the boat, the sides and everything, you know what I'm saying? We're sanding that and painting that, but for right now, we doing this inside. We gonna prime and paint the inside of the boat. And we gonna prime and paint the transom, man. And this outboard over here, so y'all stay around for that, man. It's going down, man. Fishing with Nate, baby. We out. Thank y'all for tuning in.